Once upon a time, in a quiet city that shall remain nameless, the night was still and dark. Suddenly, the ground shook with a mighty quake. A huge crack split open in the street, and from deep within, dark vines and smoky tendrils rose up. At the end of the glowing crack near Central Park, something stirred. Swooping in fast was He was on his nightly patrol and couldn't help but notice the growing rift in the city. Using his spider sense, he scanned the scene for any sign of danger, and what he saw in the shadows made his blood run cold. From the depths of the crack, a monstrous creature began to emerge, taking shape before their very eyes. It was made of smoke and shadow, and its eyes glowed a terrifying red. It was risky, but it just might buy them some time. Hulk Spiderman shouted, swinging to the rescue. He tried to pull his friend back, but it was no use. The rift's pull was too strong. He shot a web at the creature, but as it touched the beast, the web vanished into mist. All he could do was watch as his friend disappeared into the swirling chaos. But there was no time to waste. There was only one thing he could do. Taking a deep breath, he dove headfirst into the swirling vortex, plunging into the unknown, and as long as it beat, the creatures would live on. The Hulk smashed the heart, and as it shattered, the entire realm trembled. Everything was dark and distorted, and hundreds of shadow creatures swarmed around, sensing the light that had entered their realm. The shadow beast let out a mocking laugh that echoed through the empty streets. It seemed invincible, like nothing Spider-Man could do would stop it. Before Spider-Man could even react, the beast lunged at him with a ferocious roar. The rift closed, and the only sound that could be heard was the gentle rustling of leaves in the wind. Using his quick thinking and tech savvy, he reprogrammed a web drone to blast light through the darkness. "Spider fight good," he said with a rare smile. "And even the smartest hero needs a powerful friend to help them in times of need. Until next time, remember, even in the darkest of nights, a little bit of bravery can go a long way." "We make a smashing team," Spider-Man replied, grinning back. With the help of the Hulk, he made it to the core of the Shadow Realm. So with Hulk distracting the beast with thunderous punches that shook the very foundations of the city, Spider-Man took his chance. He dodged just in time, but those sharp claws left deep scratches on the pavement where he had been standing a moment before. But Spider-Man wasn't one to cower in the face of danger. Just when all hope seemed lost, the earth shook again, and this time with a much greater force. The Shadow Beast turned to face the newcomer, and Spider-Man swung in front of it to get a better look. "Smash together," he said, pointing towards the beast. Leaping into the scene was none other than the Hulk, and he was mad as a box of rocks. "Hey, big guy. Long time no smash," Spidey joked, trying to lighten the tension. But Hulk only grunted. "Shadow, not break," Spider-Man nodded. Now was not the time for awkward team. It was time to work together if they wanted to defeat this monster. He used his tech webbing to contain the rift's energy points, creating a glowing web grid that trapped the shadows. Suddenly, a tendril of shadow wrapped around Hulk's leg and pulled him towards the rift. Before Spider-Man could even process what was happening, Hulk was sucked right into the swirling vortex. Spidey looked back at the rift, and then at the helpless citizens. Inside, the world was a twisted reflection of itself. But Spider-Man had a trick up his sleeve. It was here that they finally saw the source of the darkness, a pulsing heart of pure shadow energy. Light flooded everything. In a flash, both heroes were ejected out of the rift, landing hard in the grass of Central Park. As the two heroes dusted themselves off, Hulk turned to "And so, dear friends, even the strongest heroes sometimes need a clever mind by their side.